Hello, first graders. Hello. It's me and Snake. We're here. It's kind of dark in here today. I should have turned the light on, but it's okay. You're not going to see me that much today because today we're going to do the game. Now, remember what I told you. This game, you don't play with anybody else. You just do it by yourself. So, there's some things you're going to need. You're going to need a dice. Now, this is a big one. You don't have to have a big one like this. But go look for a dice in your house. Pause the video, go look for a dice in your house. And you're also going to need some paper, or you're going to need the paper. Look, I'll show you. This paper if you want to print this paper. I'm not going to print that paper. I'm going to show you how to do the same thing, just writing on regular paper. So get a paper, a dice, and then something to write with. I'm going to use this pen, but you should probably use a pencil. Okay? So go get your stuff and then come back and I'll show you how to play the game. It's fun. Okay, welcome back. Okay, so here's your paper if you printed it. If you didn't print it and you just grabbed a paper, it can look like something like this. See, it's not fancy. It doesn't have to be fancy. It'll still work just fine. So you're going to write tens, ones, then you're going to leave a space here because this is where we're going to write our greater than, less than, equal sign. Tens, ones. Okay, so the easiest way to learn how to play this game is to just start playing. Snake is going to watch. He's going to lay his head right there and watch us, okay? Get comfy, Snake, but don't fall asleep. Pay attention. You've got to learn this. Okay, so I'm going to roll my dice to figure out how many tens I have and how many ones I have for both numbers. So here we go. All right, I got a 6. So I got 6 tens. Let's see how many ones. 2. So this makes the number 62, right? Now, let's see how many are going to be on that side. Ooh, another 6. Let's see what this one's going to be. 1. Okay, so I've got 62 and 61. Now I need to decide which number is greater or bigger. I know this one, the tens are the same, but look, the ones, this one says 2 and this one says 1. So I know that this number is greater, so I'm going to write this like that. 62 is greater than 61. Remember, this open part has to be facing the bigger number. That's the trick. Remember that? All right, let's do it again. So this time I got 5. That's not the best 5, Miss Gilbert. You need to practice again. And 3. So that number is 53. Let's roll for the other number. Ooh, 2. And this one, 2. So I've got 53 and 22. This one's pretty obvious which one is greater, right? 53 is greater than 22. I'm going to do a couple more with you. Oh, a 6 again. 6, 5, 65, and 6. Oh, 65. Okay, so here we've got 65 and 65. What do I do? It's the same number. Who remembers what do we write when the number is the exact same? It's called an equal sign. 65 is equal to 65. The other way to say it is 65 is the same as 65. All right, let's go again. I'm going to roll really, really good this. Ooh, a 1. 1 and 5. What's this number? Did you say 15? Good job. All right, and then this one I got a 2, 3. So I've got 15 and 23. Which number is greater? Which number does the opening need to face? 23, right? So this is the way we're going to do this one. We're going to put the less than symbol because 15 is less than 23. And remember, we read it this way because it's just like reading in our books. We read it from left to right. Okay, so what I want you to do is you keep rolling, fill up the rest of your page, roll your 10s, roll your 1s, then roll this 10, then roll this one, and then you need to write if it's greater than, equal to, or less than. Okay? Let me come in here, and me and Snake are going to wave goodbye. Bye. Have fun playing. And if you want to do more than just one page, if you're having fun and you want to keep going, absolutely keep going. But I do want you to at least finish the page. When you're done, have an adult look at it. And you can explain to your adult, your parent, your grandparent, whoever is with you, how you decided which sign to put, the greater than, the less than, or the equal sign. Okay, until next week. Adios, amigos. Adios, my friends. Hasta luego. Until we meet again. I miss singing that song to y'all. Bye. And I am going to figure out how to stop this. Yay. Bye, friends.